Automatically chic in style. That girl. Hi, my name is Bella and this is My Life Unfiltered. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I'm a nurse and a creative at the same time. Sometimes I film about life in scrubs and other times I film life out of scrubs. And Happy New Year! Welcome to the first video of 2024. I'm excited about today's video because we're going to be talking about the Polene Beri bag in textured black. I have her right here. Just a little backstory, I've had this bag for about 3 months now. I got this around September, I believe, in the New York flagship store of Polene. I went with my two besties and they kind of helped me pick out which bag is better. So I decided to treat myself to a nice bag since it's been around 2.5 years of me working. I don't know if you guys do that, but I like to treat myself whenever I hit like a milestone or a 1-year mark. So I knew I already wanted a bag and I wanted it from Polene, and originally I actually didn't want the Beri style. I wanted it in the Tonka style. You can also buy these bags online, but I wanted to see it for myself in stores just so I know how it like feels on me and I know how it looks on me. Plus I have an excuse to go to New York and see my friends, so it's a win-win situation. I went in the store and then I immediately went straight to the Tonka bag because I had my mind set on that bag, and then I put it on. The way it sat on my body, she's cute, I like the shape, I like how it's asymmetrical, but it just didn't sit right on me since I'm a short queen and the strap is kind of long and you can't adjust the straps. That was one of those things that didn't really sell the Tonka bag for me. Immediately I kind of looked for something else and I didn't want to get out of the store without getting a bag, you guys. Plus I really love Polene and I really want to start my own collection. So this will be bag number 2. Let's get into it. I know you guys have been waiting for this part. The box that I got from Paris is a little different. But you guys see that? See this? Polene. Ta-da! So it's in her dust bag for now, but it actually came with her paper wrapping. I like to keep the packaging because in my head it adds value to the bag if ever I do resell it in the future. So this is her little dust bag, just your standard. It's the same for every bag. And then here she is, the star of the show. I really didn't think I would get this bag, but I saw her in stores and I was like, oh, she's kind of pretty. Let's give her a little spin, quick little intro spin. Initially, this color was not on the shelves. It was actually like the maroonish one that I found, or like burgundy. I tried her on and I really like the shape, and it looks small, but don't be deceived because she holds a lot. So I asked one of the girls in the store if they had the Beri bag in black, and thankfully they did. I went for this color because I wanted a fall winter bag that was like wearable and won't get dirty easily. So this is the opening. It has the Polene logo right here, and it slides open like this, which is really cool. For now she's stuffed. I like to keep my bags stuffed, especially the weirdly shaped ones, just to keep the shape. So a bunch of stuffing. And it has this magnetic little closure thing. It doesn't have a zipper, but it closes pretty tight and securely. The closure is just like that, and then you just snap this close. It's pretty secure. It doesn't like slide out if you rough it up too much. And it just has this little card that Polene has in all their bags. So this is the Beri, made of mainly full grain Spanish calf skin, and the lining is 100% cotton. Also has this little card holder pocket thing. Wait, let me see if I can zoom in. Ta-da! Oh, okay, we're zooming. So she's in here, and it says here Polene, made in Spain. Let me zoom out. Ah, she's cute. She is the moment. Let's talk about these straps. So this strap is actually adjustable. You guys remember those friendship bracelets and you kind of just pull one side and pull the other side to tighten them or shorten them? This strap uses the same mechanism. So you just pull and pull here to make it even. So it's a shorter strap. The strap is also leather and it's pretty sturdy and durable. Okay, I put her on the shortest setting. Look at her, she's so cute. I do wear this more as a crossbody bag. I just prefer wearing my bags that way, but you can wear it both ways. Ta-da! There's actually another way you can wear it, which is just through the top handle, just like a little handbag or purse. And to do that, you just have to remove these knots. And then it just slides right out. And there you go, you have a cute little mini purse. And this shape is not very common, so I do get compliments on this bag. And we get some double takes sometimes. She's an interesting shape. I love it. This is a little close-up of the leather. Little ASMR. Love how this is the textured leather. It doesn't scratch easily. It's easy to clean. It's very durable. I almost forgot to mention that she also comes with a variant that has the gold hardware chain strap. So if you want to be more dressy with this bag, you totally can. Unfortunately, they don't come together. I did ask because I was like, can I just buy the chain for this? But I think that one is attached to the bag. I'm not so sure, but I tried that one on in stores too. One of my besties liked it, but I wanted something that was more casual and something that I could just elevate with either my accessories or my outfit. But yes, just an FYI, she also comes with a gold chain strap. Price point wise, this was about $380 with tax, which is honestly not bad for a quality luxury brand. Polene is a more recent, smaller luxury brand, and I know they're starting to hike their prices up because they're getting more and more demand of these bags. A lot of people are still sleeping on these bags. I think the first time I saw Polene bags was a year or two ago, and the cheapest one was like $280, but now I don't think there's a bag that's like less than $300. So I would definitely get my hands on a Polene bag. I think she's worth the price. This is gonna sound like an ad, but I think Polene bags are worth it. They're very high quality and they are very chic on top of also being very functional. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how much I can actually fit in this bag before I run out of daylight. So for sure, your biggest iPhone can fit in here. I have my iPhone 14 Pro, my card holder, my perfume, this empty hand sanitizer, my AirPods, my keys, my Aquaphor, my blush. Where'd my lip gloss go? Uh-oh. Did it fall into the cracks? It fell into the cracks. Another perfume. And if you're a vlogger, this little tripod thing. And as you can see, they all fit in here. Close it. Ah! Automatically chic in style. That girl. She has definitely been a great fall winter bag. She goes with a lot of outfits. This is only my second Polene bag. I for sure want to expand my Polene bag collection. Yeah, that is it for this unboxing slash review of the Polene Beri bag. Comment down below any thoughts, any reactions, or if you have any suggestions on what bag I should get next. If you have this bag already, do you enjoy it? Do you not love it? Do you want to return yours? Do you want to keep yours forever and ever? Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, just give it a thumbs up anyway. Follow me on my Instagram, share, subscribe, and stay for a while. Bye!